Guys, today I just want to spend a quick little bit of time here talking about this reflections gizmo and how to get it started. So you're going to want to launch the gizmo. You may also want to go ahead and pull up the companion guide that goes along with it and pull it out. Then you can make both of your screens smaller and put them next to each other so you can see, you can read your gizmo, and you might want to, your gizmo paper, and see the gizmo side by side, especially if you don't have a printer or don't want to print this. So you're going to think about the prior knowledge questions first. So go ahead and think in your head, 1 and 2, how would you answer those questions? Then you're going to go on to the gizmo warm-up, which is what we're going to do together. So the reflections gizmo, we're going to examine more deeply what a mirror image or reflection is of several different figures. And so you're going to be able to explore the relationship between the pre-image or the original image and the reflected image of two different shapes. So let's be sure point is selected and the figure type. So over here where it says figure types, you have point, segment, let's start with just point, okay? And then you're going to show your reflection checked, which it is. Okay, so now we're going to drag point A upwards and look at what happens to point E as I drag up. As I drag down, what happens to point E? So this is B here. What if I were to drag A below the line? What happens to E? Okay, so what it's doing, up, down, left, and right, E is reflecting point A. Okay, so that's what this gizmo is going to explore. What does it mean to reflect? Okay, so the line in the gizmo right here, this looks like a number line. That is our line of reflection. So that is what we're reflecting over. So if I were to drag the line up, oops, if I were to drag the line in a different way in any direction here, whoops, oh, there it is. Notice E is going to move so that at any point, E and A are the same distance from this line of reflection, okay? All right. If I, this happens if I rotate it clockwise, look what happens. E just keeps following the line, staying the same distance away from A, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to start with activity A, and you are going to get the gizmo ready. So make sure point is selected in the figure type. Be sure that this show reflection box is checked. Other things you might notice is that ruler that you're going to use later on. Um, length of 6, can change the length. All of these things show the angle measure tool. So as you get into the figures, you may need to use those, but just know that there are some more tools down here that you may be asked to use or will be asked to use throughout this gizmo. Okay, so go ahead and complete as many of these activities as you need to. You can take the quiz at the bottom just to check your knowledge, but no, you don't have to. This is just if you need extra practice on using or on creating reflections. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions and have a great day.